Hi, I'm Garcia Reden James.
Hi, I'm Marco James Caraga.
And I am Grant Benedict R. Contreras and will be representing Engineering Graphical Communication in Oral Communication and Presentation.
Hi, I'm Marco James. I'll be introducing Engineering Graphical Communication. Engineering Graphical Communication is an essential skills for engineers. This involves creating, producing, and distributing visual materials to convey technical information. This includes engineering drawings, 3D models, and technical presentations. Graphical communication uses visual aids and oral communication to provide verbal explanation to clarify technical details, making it easier for the audience to understand complex information. Here are the examples that uses visual aids: technical drawing, blueprints, CAD models, schematics, flowcharts, graphs, and charts. Their purpose is visual representation to facilitate understanding of complex technical concepts, especially when words alone are insufficient. Precision and accuracy. Following industry standards such as orthographic, projection, and isometric drawings guarantees clear and precise communication of technical details.
Today, we're going to talk about the importance of effective oral communication when using visual aids in presentation of speeches. Number 1. Clear explanation. The important is a clear explanation provides context for visual aids, making them more meaningful to your audience. Number 2. Structured presentation. The benefit is a structured presentation helps your audience follow your train of thoughts and understand the connection between your visual aids. Number 3. Technical terminology. The key is use correct technical terms when discussing your visuals, but ensure your audience understand them. Number 4. Audience engagement. The importance is engaging your audience makes your presentation more memorable and effective.
And now, let's proceed to the presentation. Presenting engineering ideas requires combining visuals, tools, and delivery to ensure the audience understanding and engagement. Number 1. Combining visuals and speech. Visuals and spoken words must complement each other, enhancing clarity and communication. Number 2. Effective use of tools. Leverage tools such as PowerPoint, physical models, or CAD softwares to strengthen and demonstrate your points. Number 3. Engaging delivery. Present confidently and with enthusiasm to maintain audience attention and ensure clarity. The importance in engineering. Graphical communication is vital in engineering for enhancing collaboration, knowledge sharing, and understanding in various settings. Number 1. Design reviews. Clarifies design rationale for teams and stakeholders. Number 2. Client meetings. It simplifies complex technical details for client understanding. Number 3. Collaborations. It improves communication among experts from different fields. In summary, oral communication and presentation is a vital skill in engineering field, ensuring that both technical and non-technical audience can grasp complex ideas through the combined use of visuals and clear speech. And that's all. Thank you.